open it before a little bit. I got this yesterday, and it is Wacom Intuos creative pen tablet, so you can draw like a animation or like cartoon on this tablet, and then you use the USB connection to like plug it in, and then have like a pen for it. Put on it, like the box kind of look like this, and have a manual that you have to download the program from the website. And they inside of this pen they have like, see this, have like a tip of like a pen for you to change in case it's like broken or something. And just gonna unwrap it. So like the program would take about at least an hour to download it, and you need to restart your laptop too. You can use with Windows and Mac too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But the USB, you just need to plug it in like this, and then it will like, see, half lighted up. You can usually I was use with pen program for drawing it, like, see, you can draw it like it's like a cursor, as it works the same way as the mouse do. So yeah, bye. Oh, also I will put the link for the Amazon for you if you want to buy it. And I got this for 2,790 baht, or about 80 US dollar. No, I mean 88 US dollar, almost 90. But on Amazon I found that it is only like $70.